Hey teacups, so today we're doing a little glam. I literally had a few topics in mind that I wanted to talk about in this video today, but y'all, nothing was sticking like I wanted it to. So I'm like, let's just go ahead and yap. And let's just let this video flow, and we're just going to have some fun and some skincare and makeup because I literally don't know exactly what I want to say sometimes when I'm creating my content. And I know I need to do better. But yeah, let's just chat about what I use on my skin for prep. I'm using the Thayer's toner, which I'm obsessed with. Have to have this. And then I'm using this Lancome makeup remover. I was testing out a few things before making this video and had to remove my makeup, but it's A1. And then I went in with my Roche Posay triple moisture cream. You guys know I love this stuff. And then I also got sent this new L'Oreal RevitaLift cream. It is so bomb. I'm like, yes honey, this packaging is so clutch and it smells so good. Of course I have to use my Kiehls products. My moisturizer is essential, and then my under eye cream with avocado does the trick every time. I'm brushing out these eyebrows, okay? I'm using my favorite NYX products, which is the NYX brow tint and my NYX micro brow pencil. One is in Expresso, the other one is in black. Next, I'm going in with my Armani Beauty Fluid Sheer Glow Enhancer. I love to apply this underneath my foundation when doing like really glam looks so that I can really get that glow. As you can see, I'm just blending that out. Then I was trying to decide which foundation I wanted to use for this video, and I was like, since we are going to be doing our eyeshadow with Urban Decay, let's just go in with this Balm Urban Decay Face Bond Foundation, okay? If you're looking for like that go-to foundation, or especially for like Halloween, if you want your makeup to like stay on, or if you're somebody who's like really going to be on camera, this is the one. I'm telling you. The one I'm using is in 25 medium deep. It's Cool Olive, and I don't know, I just always find myself reaching for this foundation when I'm doing glam, just like my everyday looks. This is like the perfect shade match for me too. I just love it. It does no wrong. Y'all, as a beauty content creator, I get so much beauty PR. It's crazy. I remember the times I used to want beauty PR so bad, and now just like being able to receive PR and like review products for you guys and like give my honest opinion on product is honestly just a blessing. Now for someone like me, I have my chill days where I'm like, I'm not doing glam today. Let's just go sew. Or let's just go create something else besides doing makeup. But I like always have to just find my happy balance because I love doing glam, okay? It's just another art form for me and a form of expression for me, honestly. Just another way for me to express my creativity. And the reason why I create beauty videos is because I want to teach the people who want to learn how to do their glam and do their makeup. So that's exactly what I'm here for, is to teach. Like, I'm all about making sure the girls are glowing and feeling confident, okay? And bringing out their inner bad bee, okay? So not just with fashion. I don't want to just make you feel confident in fashion, but beauty ties into fashion because literally when you look good, you feel great. You're more productive, you know? I love a good glam. I love a good beat down to the ground. But anyways, okay, so y'all see me using my favorite bronzer, my Armani Beauty bronzer. Love this stuff. And then I'm using that same Urban Decay Face Bond foundation, but because this shade is a bit darker, I'm going to be actually using it as a deeper contour after the bronzer. I love a cream-like contour. And y'all can see me talking to Zahara here. She was literally talking to me and making me laugh. But yeah, okay, so now we're just going to set this under eye with the OG Sacha Beauty butter setting powder, y'all. This stuff is so good. I'm like, not me setting the air spun down, like not me doing my air spun a little bit wrong. Like, y'all know I love my air spun. I've always used my air spun translucent powder, but I don't know. Sacha has me in a chokehold, okay? Especially for my brown skin girlies, like what they be saying. I need that, okay? I need that. I need that. Hey. Anyways, okay, face is done. I'm just applying some of my Tone lip balm so I can moisturize my lips as we're doing this makeup look before we actually like apply our finished lip products, because we don't want no chapped lips around here, okay? Add that lip balm. Get them lips right, okay? I don't remember what flavor I was using in this one. I think I was using the original, but it's like they have like 3 other kinds. they're all bomb. So anyways, now we're going to be using and trying out this Jones Road Beauty Illuminator, which is a shimmer highlighter, okay? I love highlighters, so I was excited about this one. Instead of using the brush, though, I decided to just go in and actually use it with my hand. And I love that it's so blendable and that I don't even need a brush. I'm going to use it with my hand. I love that it was so subtle, like just the right amount of highlighter. I would say my ColourPop one, I usually have to like wipe some away because it's really bright, honey, okay? It's as bright as the sun. It doesn't play. It gets down, all right? But I love how this one turned out as well. Very nice, very subtle. We didn't need too much. Not too much, okay? Just a little, not too much, all right? So I'm just blending that out with the brush. Blending. Waffle House yellow, okay? Y'all know what video that's from? Because I'm both-handed, okay? Waffle House yellow. We just gonna blend it out a bit. Blend it. We blend it. Anyways, now it's time to test out these eyeshadows. The first one I'm going to be using is the blurred out eyeshadow, Urban Decay eyeshadow. I'm going to be using this one as my base, and we're just going to layer and play up on the eyes for a nice fall look. Y'all, usually I'm scared to use light colors like this, but this actually came out nice, okay? They blend really, really well on the eyes. Literally did not even need a brush. Super blendable. I was really shocked. I actually like the formula and consistency because I hate eyeshadow fallout so much. I hate that. So once I applied this and I kind of blended it out with both my brush and my hand, honey, I was loving it. I was so excited. It reminded me of the OG days with the Naked Basic palette, which it was inspired by. So I was happy, honey. And these supposedly are supposed to last up to 16 hours. So we gonna see. But that was, Naked Basics was like my go-to palette back in my back in the OG days, okay? So next I'm going in with this goldy bronze color and Tasteful. This was more of like a shimmer, but it didn't have any fallout. I was loving it. Like, I did have to kind of continue to add and build up on the color, but overall I was like, yes, this is what I want to see. This is what I want to see. Then I kind of wanted like that like crease color to blend it in. So I'm using Innocent, and this was more of like a darker matte brown color, which I was personally loving. I feel like the color selection in this package was superb. So I'm really just blending out a lot here, as you can see. That's really just the technique of getting eyeshadow correct, is honestly just to blend as much as possible. Blending is literally going to be your best friend. So when in doubt, blend it out, okay? Now I'm going in with another layer of shimmer, going in with Toasty. I believe this was Toasty. There is Toasty and then there's Private Album, but they both are bomb. And yeah, both shimmers. And I'm just really loving these eyeshadow sticks. These shadows last, like I said, for up to 16 hours. They give like that airbrush effect. Again, literally didn't even need my brush. If you're like new to shadow, I feel like these would be perfect for you, because, you know, with fallout, it can cause things to get messy and mess up like your eyeshadow, but this is perfect. So now I'm actually testing out some of the Jones Road Beauty products. I was testing out the mini Miracle Balms. You guys know I had the larger ones. I actually have a full video of me reviewing the larger Miracle Balms, but this is the color Cheeky. Again, I had to break the seal so I can really get that color and hint of tint and glow on my cheeks. And this color is so perfect. I was truly impressed, especially for like the fall and for like my skin complexion. I was like, yes. Now for my eyelashes, I'm just using my Lancome mascara and my Valentino Beauty mascara. Y'all, now I'm actually testing this true lip pencil. This one is from Jones Road Beauty as well, And I'm like, wait, this is like that OG 90s type of lip pencil. I was so excited, like, because I was like, yes, this is like one of those pencils where I need a pencil sharpener, okay? Which means I'm probably gonna get more product, which I'm loving. So, but not only that, I also can like be more precise on my lips. So, and this one is in like a really deep, rich brown shade. You can never have enough brown lip liners, okay? And when I say this liner was it, run, okay? I mean, just look, this is literally the real deal. Literally perfect. They didn't lie when they said this is the best lip pencil, okay? But when I reached in there and I seen a tinted brown lip balm, I screamed. I was gagged because what? I love lip balms. So when I seen this, I was like, a brown lip balm? Like color and moisture in one for fall and winter? Yes, please. Yes, please give it to me. I need it right now. I need it right now. I need it right now. I need that. Y'all, look at this. I mean, I was like, this lip balm was apparently inspired by Bobbi. She developed batch 18. And she used to give these lip balms out during Halloween. But honestly, I just love that it's also not just a lip balm. It's versatile. And not only as a lip tint, but it can be used as a blush or a bronzer as well. So I thought this was just such a unique product. And then I went ahead and applied the lip gloss from them as well onto my lips, blended in with this lip balm, and it was going crazy. Such a crazy combo, y'all. Such a crazy combo. But yeah, last but not least, I went ahead and sprayed on my Urban Decay all-nighter spray, and this was honestly the complete look. I was honestly obsessed with all of these products, especially for fall. You can let me know if you tried or will be trying out any of these products for yourself this fall, winter, or which one of these products or like which one of these was your favorite out of this look. I really want to know, so leave your comments below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, until the next one, I love you guys, and I will see you at the top. Peace.